Want to know how to view or change spectator settings in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game, and once you have opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're in this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing something known as your settings. It should be under the gear icon, so you can just simply select it. So once you have selected the gear icon, here we should be seeing various options. Now, on top, you should be seeing this eye icon right here on the rightmost side, so you can just simply select it. So once you have figured that, here you should be seeing your spectator settings like enabling, disabling gear icons, slowing UIs, and serious score right here. So you can also see names that you can customize, and you can just simply select apply once you're good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.